Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to step into the world of spies and the smart tools they use. These gadgets are not from movies or imagination. They are based on real ideas and new technology that exists or is being tested right now. From clothes that help you hide to tiny drones that can see everything, these tools are made to help spies move quietly and stay unnoticed. Before we begin, make sure you hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss videos like this. Now get ready, because what you're about to see is the closest you can get to real spy gear. Let's start and check out 5 secret agent gadgets that will truly surprise you. 1. Glasses with hidden screen. These glasses look totally normal from the outside, but inside the lens is a hidden micro display that only the spy can see. As soon as the glasses turn on, a tiny transparent screen appears in the corner of the lens, showing live maps, danger alerts, messages from HQ, building layouts, and even face recognition identities. The display is so subtle that anyone standing next to the spy sees nothing but clear glass. A tiny bone conduction speaker built inside the frame sends soft whispers directly to the ear, giving instructions without using earbuds. The glasses also have a blink-activated nano camera. One blink takes a photo, 2 blinks start recording video, and long blink turns on zoom mode. The zoom feature enlarges distant details like license plates, door locks, or people far away, perfect for surveillance without raising suspicion. The frame also contains motion sensors, which analyze the spy's surroundings and warn about anyone following them. Despite all this tech, the glasses stay lightweight, stylish, and completely normal looking, making them the perfect undercover gadget. 2. Watch that turns into a mini drone. At first glance, it's just a regular digital watch, but inside hides a fully functional micro drone. With a single tap, the watch's top shell slides open silently, and a palm-sized drone rises into the air using ultra-quiet micro fans. The spy can control the drone simply by tilting or rotating the wrist. The watch reads motion through built-in gyroscopes. The drone sends live video straight to the tiny circular watch display, giving the spy a real-time view of hallways, rooftops, windows, or hidden corners. The drone fits into small spaces like vents, under doors, or between pipes, making it a perfect scouting tool before entering dangerous areas. It also has night vision, obstacle detection, and automatic return to watch mode. When the mission ends, the drone comes back, locks into place, and the lid seals shut, looking once again like a normal everyday wristwatch. Lightweight, silent, and incredibly useful, this gadget lets spies explore places where humans can't go. 3. Shoe with secret compartment. These spy shoes look completely ordinary, but the heel hides a cleverly engineered secret compartment. Inside the heel is a small hollow space sealed by a pressure lock system. Only the spy knows the exact way to press the sole to open it. This gives enough room to store a tracking chip, folded blueprint, emergency cache, a micro SD card, or even a tiny camera lens. The compartment is waterproof, shockproof, and stays fully hidden even if the shoe is inspected from the outside. The shoe also uses noise-canceling rubber soles that absorb impact and allow completely silent footsteps, perfect for sneaking through hallways or rooftops. The interior has grip support to help during fast chases, while the outer material is durable enough to climb fences or kick open weak locks. 4. Phone that turns transparent. This smartphone looks like any high-end device until the spy activates its transparency switch. The screen instantly shifts into a glass-like mode, allowing the spy to see everything behind the phone as if the device wasn't there. This helps the spy watch reflections, check blind spots, or observe if someone is following them, all without turning around or looking suspicious. In transparent mode, the phone can also record video using both the front and rear layers of the display, capturing whatever is behind the phone in real time. The transparency makes it look like the spy is simply holding their phone casually, while secretly keeping an eye on the environment. The phone also has a stealth vibration alert that gives coded signals for danger or new intel. When switched back to normal mode, the display becomes a regular smartphone screen with apps, messages, and camera access. This gadget is perfect for undercover surveillance, tailing suspects, and quick visual checks in crowded areas. 5. Wallet with pop-out shield. This wallet looks completely normal when a spy carries it in their pocket, but hidden inside is a foldable shield layer that pops out the moment the wallet is opened wide. With one quick pull, a thin but strong sheet flips out like a small protective panel. It can block sharp objects, sudden hits, or anything dangerous coming toward the spy. The shield is tough but light, and when folded, it becomes almost invisible inside the wallet. The wallet also has a built-in safety chip that stops anyone from scanning the spy's bank cards or stealing information through wireless card readers. On the outside, it works just like a regular wallet, holds cash, cards, and IDs. The pop-out shield gives it a cool action movie feel. 6. Pen that turns into a camera. At first glance, this pen writes just like any normal office pen, but the top part hides a tiny camera lens. When the spy taps a small button, the camera quietly starts recording video without any blinking lights or sound. The spy can place the pen in a pocket, let it stand in a pen holder, or lay it on a table, and it captures everything in front of it. The microphone inside records clear sound, and the video saves to a small memory chip hidden inside the pen. Turning the pen's clip activates quick record mode, so the spy can start filming instantly without looking suspicious. When the mission is over, the spy plugs the pen into a laptop, just like a USB drive to view the footage. 7. GPS Tracker Tag. The GPS Tracker Tag is a tiny, easy-to-hide device that spies attach to cars, bags, boxes, bikes, or place under tables without anyone noticing. Its flat shape and strong magnetic back help it stick securely to metal surfaces like car frames, lockers, or doors, while its slim size lets it fit inside pockets or under seats. Once attached, it sends the exact location of the object straight to the spy's phone through a simple app, updating every few seconds so the spy can see if the target is moving, stopping, or changing direction. Some versions even save full travel paths, showing everywhere the object has been throughout the day. The battery lasts for several days, and some trackers use sleep mode to save power when the object is not moving. Many models come with waterproof covers so they can survive rain or being placed under a vehicle. Because these trackers are widely available for normal use, like tracking cars, pets, or lost bags. And that's it. These 10 secret agent gadgets show how quickly spy technology is growing and how much the world of spying is changing every day. This gear is smarter, simpler, and far more surprising than most people imagine. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps and lets us bring you more fun and interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always something new to explore, and we're here to show it to you.